OnePlus has confirmed that their new OnePlus 13s, a compact flagship phone, will launch in India soon. The latest teaser also shows a new green color for the phone. It seems that the phone will only be available in these three colors: black velvet, pink satin, and green in India. The phone will feature a new Plus key, a customizable physical button that replaces the usual alert slider, giving users more control over shortcuts and actions. OnePlus 13s is the rebranded OnePlus 13T coming to the market. The OnePlus 13s will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC. It will be one of the most affordable phones carrying the flagship chipset, with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. The software side is covered by ColorOS 15 based on Android 15. OnePlus 13s feature a 6.32-inch LTPO AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution and a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Features an integrated optical fingerprint scanner. The camera department is headlined by a 50MP main cam using an IMX906 sensor and a 50MP 2X telephoto module. It features a 6000 mAh silicon carbon cell with 80W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.